This is a cricket hat, and I have someone that I think of when I wear this hat who doesn't talk to me anymore. What has that got to do with Daniel Scranton coughing while he is channeling the Arcturian Council? I was asking for Kermit the Frog to come and talk about it, but instead, as much as I insisted I want Kermit the Frog, I got somebody with a cricket bat. The story continues. If you are coughing, it has to do with your throat chakra. People who are just beginning to channel, I saw someone beginning to channel the Pleiadians and had a lot of coughing. What is happening with your throat chakra when you are channeling and you end up coughing? It is a reminder of a dog collar. People put different kinds of collars around the neck of a dog and they attach a leash. Now, if we put one of those collars around your neck and attached it to a leash, and we gave the leash to someone who wanted you to do what they said, it's not easy to tell you, no, I'm not going to become your pet dog. I'm not going to gather any more information other than we have got constrictions around your throat. And what is going on? Well, if it's constricted enough, you can't breathe, you can't talk, your face turns all red. A couple of days ago, someone sent me 2 articles. One was from MSN, and the other one was from the irishtimes.com. And the MSN, one of them said that there was a picture of a boy, 13 years of age, died of COVID-19. The other article said a boy about the same age died of, have you heard of the old thing? It was called, not that old, the choking game, and this person had said, I am sick and tired of media lying to me. And the kicker was these 2 different articles, 2 different 13-year-old boys with 2 different names had the exact same picture. The MSN article and the irishtimes.com article use the same picture of a boy. For one died, that boy died of COVID-19, and that boy died of the choking game. Same picture. Same crap from mainstream news. Same fucking lies. Same fucking people lying to us and saying they're journalists. Same fake news, same horror. The horror of a 13-year-old boy dying of this virus and a 13-year-old boy dying of a choking game. And a pack of lies. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I don't know what to do. If it was in my power, I would continue to tell you, mainstream news is lying sons of bitches. Lying, 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 lying. Do they ever tell the truth? So, what is the metaphysical lesson for this? Because when I used to go and talk to the Ascended Master Sananda, whenever there was something dark like this, he always said, "What is the gift?" And sometimes it was hard, because you're so focused on this horrible thing. And yet he said, you got to look for a silver lining. So what is the silver lining from the story I've told you? What's it got to do with someone playing cricket? Something to do with Barbados. It says Barbados there, little island in the Caribbean. What has it got to do with the Arcturian Council? The answer is in a Pearl Jam song. The song is called Leash, and it's from the second album, Verses is the name of the album. And because of copyright laws, I cannot play it for you. So what I'm going to encourage you to do is to go and play it. You can find it on the internet and play the song Pearl Jam Leash. That's the song of the day, and that is the answer to my question, what is the gift? The gift is instructions on how to talk to mainstream media. Because it's right there in the song. Eddie Vedder sings, screams, "Get out of my fucking face." So that's my message for mainstream media today. Get out of my fucking face. Drop the leash of fake news, horrible, horrible news that you are dragging me around by a choke chain around my neck. So says the humans of planet Earth. I have 2 more songs for you. I have Paul McCartney, Listen to What the Man Says, and from Bruce Cockburn, a song called Lovers in a Dangerous Time. I'm Harry Weaver, your narrator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share, and tune in because I always have a lot to say.